In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Notification and Status bar. Following that, scroll down again to tap on Manage All right next to App Notifications, and tap on blue switchers next to apps from which you want to block them. To switch them back on, hit the same now gray switchers. You can also go back, select an app from here, and manage all notifications by tapping on this switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!